faster. Fix it quick, go faster, faster. Four little dinos looking sad, Chad. That big bite was really bad. Cake is messy on the floor. What can we do? We need some more. Don't worry, dinos, it's okay. Let's clean up and start the play.
We can still have fun. Yes, let's share what's left.
Three little dinos grab some cream. Hot fun, let's rebuild the birthday dream. One dino slip, oh what a scene. Cream went splat on the screen. Oh no, sticky party fun. Clean it up, job not done. Two little dinos fixing fast. Found this cake disaster won't last. They add some berries, red and sweet, but now the cake is looking neat. Oh, build it up, make it right. Birthday cake is shining bright.
We could rebuild it. Yay!
One little dino proud and glad. His birthday turned from good to bad, but friends all helped and smiled so wide. Word now they dance side by side. Cake is ready, candles glow. Happy dinos in a row. Make a wish, they all shout. Birthday joy all around.
We need a plan.
Maybe hide it?
No, let's clean up.
Good idea.
Choo choo, wait, what's that sound? Train is spinning all around. Left or right, no one knows. Oops, the train forgot to go. Train was happy, full of cheer. Next stop is, I was just here. Driver checks the map again. Oh no, I forgot it then. Choo choo, where to go? Fast or slow, nobody knows. Tracks are long, signals bright, but train is confused tonight. Train goes left, oops, not there. Train goes right, I swear I care. It stops at zoo, then candy shop. Wait, is this my final stop? Choo choo, silly ride. Train is lost but full of pride. Wheels are turning round and round. No right station can be found. Monkey says I know the way, but he points the other way. Elephant tries with big loud sound, but train goes spinning round and round. Help, help, guide the train through sunshine and through rain. Lost but laughing, what a scene. Funniest ride you've ever seen. Train now thinks I'm on vacation. Stops at beach and starts a celebration. Passengers shout, we need to go. Train says, wait, I don't know. Choo choo, silly brain. Train forgot its own lane. Beep, beep, laugh and cheer. This confusion brings us near. Little bird flies in the sky. Shows the train the right way high. Follow me, don't be late. Train says, oh, that is great. Choo choo, back on track. No more turning left or right. All aboard, now we go to the station nice and slow. Choo choo, now we know. Train remembers where to go. Clap your hands and sing along. Lost train turned into a song.
Is it an animal that's moving? I can't tell. We should.
Five little monsters were riding on a bus. One jumped off and bumped his knee. The driver called the wizard, and the wizard said, no more monsters jumping on the bus. Riding on the bus, riding on the bus. No more shining without any fuss. The driver called the monsters and they all shouted loud. Come on, friends, let's ride this bus tonight. Wow!
Everyone wave!
Pop, pop, wait, what's that? Something big is floating back. Pop, pop, look above. Baby shark is stuck, oh no, oh no. Baby shark was playing free, blowing bubbles in the sea. One grew bigger, bigger, wow. Uh-oh, I'm inside it now. Floating slowly to the sky. Mommy, help, I'm flying high. Up, up, don't you stop. Floating in a bubble pop. No, no, don't let go. Baby shark is stuck, oh no. Mommy shark looks up in fear. Don't you worry, I am here. Daddy shark swims super fast. Catch that bubble, make it last. Grandma laughs, he's like a balloon. Grandpa says we'll get him soon. Catch, catch, hurry up. Save him from that bubble cup. Swim and jump and reach the top. Don't let baby shark go pop. Daddy jumps but slips away. Sharp shell can make it pop. Crab comes in with pinch so tight. Let's say baby do it right. They jump together, 1, 2, 3. Pop, splash into the sea. Pop, 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 down you go. Splashing in the waves below. Safe and sound, shout hooray. Baby shark is saved today. Baby shark laughs, that was fun. Let's not do that again. Okay, one more run. Everyone shouts no, no, no. They all laugh and swim around. Happy bubbles all around. Pop, pop, small ones only. No more giant bubbles, homie. Clap your fins and it's the way. Bubble fun saves the day. Pop, 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 pop. Fun like this will never stop. Sing along and you will see happy sharks in the sea. Boom, boom, clap, clap, old MacDonald's farm is back. Boom, boom, jump and sing. Farmyard chaos led to boom. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm a cow went boom, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Then the doctor every row. Boom, boom, what a sound. Milk is splashing all around. E-I-E-I-O. Oh no, farm is going crazy, yo. And on this farm a chicken ran. E-I-E-I-O. It danced so fast like boom, boom, bang. With a cluck, cluck here and a cluck, cluck there. Eggs are bouncing in the air. Boom, boom, egg attack. Chickens doing funky dance track. E-I-E-I-O, let's go. Farm is shaking head to toe. And on this farm a pig said boo. E-I-E-I-O. Jumped in mud with a splashy zoom. Ooh. With a oink oink here and a oink oink there. Mud is flying everywhere. Boom boom, muddy fun. Pig is sliding like a drum. E-I-E-I-O, so wild. Even MacDonald shocked and smiled. And on this farm a sheep went pop. E-I-E-I-O. Jumped so high it never stopped. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there. Wool is floating in the air. Boom boom, fluffy storm. Sheep glow. Find Dino is stomping on the ground. Wow! 5 Dino is stomping on the ground. Stomp, 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 what a sound! One slipped down and hit a stone mound, so the jungle echoed with a groan. So the leader called the birds and the babe then said, no more dinos stomping around the ground. 4 dinos were stomping on the ground. Stomp, 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 honk, honk sound. One fell off and hurt his toe, rolling down so slow, slow, slow. So the leader called the snake and the snake then said, stop these dinos from stomping the ground. Wow! 3 dinos were stomping on the ground, stomping loud all around. One bumped into a jungle tree. Ouch! He shouted loudly. So the leader called the monkey and the monkey then said, these dinos are too wild on the ground. 2 dinos were stomping on the ground. Stomp, stomp, stomp all around. One slipped in muddy goodness. What are we gonna do? So the leader called the lion and the lion then said, no more stomping on the ground. 1 dino was stomping on the ground. Stomp, stomp, no sound. He fell down with a tiny roar hissing and broke the jungle floor. So the leader called the wizard and the wizard then said, fix the ground. Fix the ground. They fixed the ground with magic glow. Now the jungle starts to flow. All dinos came back again, happy stomping in the rain. So the leader called the dinos and they then said, come on, let's stomp again tonight. Listen to other dino jungle songs.
Wow, the ocean school. I'm so
Baby
excited.
Shark is going to school today.
Look at all the glowing
Scary ocean school.
inside.
Hip hooray! Oh! Zombie shark says brains, brains, green and slimy, funny chains. Baby shark swims, whoa, 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 laughs and says, let's go, go, go! Scary Singapore! Scary school, spooky school, zombies, mummies, super cool, boo, boo, boo. It is scary school, come with me. Mummy fish is wrapped so tight, shuffle, shuffle left and right. Baby shark says, you look funny. Mummy fish says, you're my buddy. Scary Singapore! Scary school, spooky school, zombies, mummies, super cool, boo, boo, boo. It is scary school, come with me. Which octopus with magic spells, swish, 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 ring the bell. Candy, chalk, and purple light, baby shark jumps. What a sight! Scary Singapore! Scary school, spooky school, zombies, mummies, super cool, boo, boo, boo. It is scary school, come with me. Skeleton crab goes click, click, clack. Bony dance, no turning back. Rattle, rattle, shake, shake, shake. Baby shark joins. No mistake. Scary Singapore! Scary school, spooky school, zombies, mummies, super cool, boo, boo, boo. It is scary school, come with me. Ha ha ha! Lights go dark, big surprise. All the monsters take off disguise. They are friends in spooky play. Baby shark 1, 2, 3.